East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil John, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
No one knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
And I won't ever sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Write my own rhymes.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
I just had to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. No, you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby. East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil John, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
No one knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
And I won't ever sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and baby, obviously your girl got somewhere to go tonight, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys details and specs on this wig. If you are interested, then please continue to watch. Alright, so the unit that I am rocking is by RPGSHOW. You guys know, if you know me, your girl is the RPGSHOW stan, honey. They always come through with the come through, and I appreciate and love them for that, baby, because I be needing it. Alright, so the wig, the name is Wigs by Charisse 054. The texture is silky. The length is 20 inches. The color is as pictured, and you know, right here you guys can see it's kind of like, I don't want to say balayage, but that's kind of what it's giving me. It's like brown and like a super dark brown and a light brown. I don't know how else to describe it. I do have this wig in cap size 1. Baby, your girl may be heading up to a cap size 2 because that was a little bit of a struggle. The parting space is a 10 by 6 glueless Swiss lace closure wig, and it is 180% density. The lace color is tinted, transparent Swiss lace, light brown. So those are all the details and specs. With this particular wig, I do want to first say that I love that the combs have Velcro. Some wigs nowadays will have it, you know, the removable combs, but you have to like insert them. They tend to fall out. This wig has Velcro on the combs. Those do not fill out. Not fill out. Those do not fall out. So I really prefer those over even the other removable combs, because I have had issues with the other removable combs because, like I said, they tend to come out. So I love that. I do feel like this wig can be worn glueless. You guys know sometimes I struggle. Now with this wig, I don't feel like I would have had the issue like around the ear area. The only issue I did have is I feel like I may need a cap size 2 now. I am growing my hair back out. You guys know I was bald for a minute, honey. And I was going with the bald look, but now I want some braids, honey. I be going on vacation. You know you need some braids when you're going on vacation. So I decided I need to grow my hair back out. That being said, like, old girl a little snug on this fro, okay? So I do feel like you can wear this wig glueless as long as you have your hair flat and you know you don't have very thick hair or whatever. You can make it work. You can make it do what it do. I feel like, as always, they came through with the hairline. Like, they never disappoint. They have never disappointed. I love that they already have the unit in a curved C part and it's already pre-layered. To me, that gives ultimate beginner friendly. Other than having to cut your lace, there's not a whole lot that you have to do to this wig whatsoever. And I love that for me and I love that for you. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not noticed any straight out of the packaging. That doesn't mean that at some point old girl won't do any of the things. Just that straight out of the packaging, old girl is doing none of the things. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go with this unit. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, as far as cons, I will only have one con with this unit, and the con is not really a company thing, it's a Chrissy thing. Chrissy got a bigger head than she used to have. So my only con would be that I need a size 2. RPGSHOW, from this point on, baby, send me a size 2. Don't let me be in denial no more. Okay, so that's going to be my con. Like I said, that's not a company bad, that's a Chrissy bad, because I was in denial about this head, this koala head. Okay, so yeah, that'll be my only con. Pros are endless. The color is perfect for spring and summer. It's also a good color if you're afraid of color. Okay, I do know a lot of people that are afraid of color. You guys know I will wear NT color. Okay, I don't care. I will wear any color. But I do understand also people that are a little apprehensive about color. So if that's the case, I understand. But wigs like this is a great transition into color. Like, you get this wig and try it, and then you know, maybe I'll go a little brighter. I love that with these type of units. The hairline is phenomenal. You guys know I am not a tweezing type of girl. That has never been my thing. I suck at it. So I love the hairline. And just the overall look of the wig and the layers and all the things. So yeah, those are my pros. Obviously, I would recommend this unit, honey. You heard my pros, so let's keep it moving. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Can you guys see it? Yeah. And I'll stand up. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know. Sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you think about this unit. Is it a look? Is it a vibe? Let me know all the things down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, RPGSHOW, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you guys have any questions or thoughts or whatever, if you like this unit as much as I do, sound off down below in the comments. And yeah, girl, that's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on the show I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthMC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you little bugs next time. Bye.
It's DizastrousBeauty. It's DizastrousBeauty, baby. It's DizastrousBeauty. Change up your look daily. Change up, switch it up. Change change up your look.